Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating some Pinterest inspired wall decor. So this is the wooden decor that inspired me to make a mirror version of it. For this project, you will need a total of 20 unfinished wooden pieces, 6 pieces 3 by 3 inches, 6 pieces 4 by 4 inches, 4 pieces 9 by 9 inches, and 4 pieces 12 by 12 inches. I'm starting off by painting the wood edges. We got a painting brush and a black paint here. You can also make your work easier by using a black spray paint. Once the paint was dry, I applied my Polymax glue on the board area, and then I glued down the 9 by 9 inch mirror tiles on each board. Next, I'll be working on these 4 by 4 wooden pieces, and I'll be using these 4 by 4 inch mirror tiles from Amazon. And by the way guys, I know for some of you it's been difficult purchasing these mirror tiles online, so I'm working on my Amazon website, and as soon as everything is done, I will let you know. As we wait for the glue to cure, I'm gonna show you what I did with these 12-inch pieces. We had 4 of them, but first I'm gonna start with these 2 pieces. Right now I'm marking where I would like to place the board to form the design I want. So the first mark is at 6 inch and the other one at 7 inch. I will attach one piece to the marked location, so I'm gonna drill pilot holes before driving in the screws. With the pair done, I did the exact same thing to the other wooden pieces. Moving on to the next one, I'm gonna cut the 12-inch beveled mirror to fit the remaining area. You need to know the measurements of the area before trimming your mirror. So mine is 12 by 6 inches, and I'm gonna cut it to size using a tile cutter. This is the tile cutter I used, and the first thing you want to do is to insert your mirror. You also want to make sure that your mirror is secure and the line is at the very center of the cutter. Once the mirror is at the right place, move the cutter wheel and the handle towards the mirror. It's important to make sure the mirrors you've just cut can fit perfectly before gluing them down. I attached the 9-inch piece to the 12-inch, and guys, I'm gonna be very fast with the measurements, so I will glue it on a 3 by 5 inch area. As you can see, my mirror is starting to come together, and you'll notice I was a little bit confused here, so I had to confirm to be sure that I was doing the correct thing. When working with the small pieces, it's not really a must for you to use the measurements, so watch closely how I attach these 3 pieces together, and as we wait for it to cure, I'll go ahead and attach all the 3-inch wooden pieces on the mirror. I didn't have the 3x3-inch mirror tiles that could fit on the 3-inch wooden pieces, so I alternatively used the 3x6 inches that I had at home. Once all the glue has cured, we're going to attach a frame at the back of the mirror, so carefully make the pilot holes into the frame. Then next we're going to attach the frame to the mirror with screws. The mirror is heavy, so you'll need heavy duty hangers to be able to hang it on the wall.